Okay, good day warriors. Our subject code is CRI-199, Personal Identification and Techniques. So, this is module number 14 po, Forensic Tools and Equipments. So, ano po ba ang mga lesson objectives? The lesson objectives are, first, utilize the different tools and equipment in detection, collection, and preservation of evidences. Second, classify the different tools according to its use. So, ang makikita po natin sa mga susunod kong discussion is yung mga gagamitin ninyo later on sa laboratory po for this subject. So, ano-ano nga ba yung mga yon? So, let's start with this one. So, this one is called the Forensic Optical Comparator. So, i-discuss ko po sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga key features or yung maaaring makita nyo or kung ano ba ang function na to dito sa ating subject na personal identification, especially the fingerprint. So, let's start. What are the key features? So, first is dual projection system. Second, fingerprint comparison. Third, individual lamp control. 4, automatic surface illumination. 5th, thermal monitoring, objective lenses, adjustable surface platform. So, overall design purpose. This device is designed with a focus on operator convenience and performance in fingerprint analysis, providing a dual screen display for efficient comparison of latent and recorded fingerprints. So, ma'am, baka tanungin niyo ako, ano po bang purpose nitong forensic optical comparator na to? Ano po ba ang magiging tulong na to? So, ang function or purpose po ng forensic optical comparator is used to compare two fingerprints at the same time. When we say at the same time, side by side. So, hindi siya magkapatong, magkahiwalay. So, side by side. So, di ba nga po dito sinasabi sa purpose niya is comparison daw ng latent and recorded. So, when we say latent, ito po yung nakuha natin sa crime scene and recorded po, ito po yung hawak ng mga pulis natin. Next, live scan fingerprinting or fingerprint. This device digitize and store fingerprints, enabling police to easily capture a suspect's fingerprint on a glass plate. The technology eliminates the need for traditional ink fingerprints, ensuring high-quality digital images for effective record keeping and transmission. So, kung makikita nyo po sa picture, yan na yan po iyon. So, di ba po sinasabi dyan, glass plate. So, instead nga po, nagagamit tayo ng ink, i-spread pa natin, i-spread natin through the roller, and then, ilalapat natin yung kamay to take. Ito pong live scan fingerprint, ang purpose po nito, to eliminate po yung mga, for example po, kapag kumuha ka through ink, there's a tendency na yung makuha mo, too dark, too light, and then hindi mo pa lahat nakukuha ng fingerprint. So, ito po kasing live scan fingerprint na to, pinadali ang buhay. So, kapag kinuha mo ito, automatically, nakuha mo ang fingerprint, mabilis na record and all. Ano pa po ang advantage na to? So, for example po, kung gagamit ka nito, wala ka nang magiging problema if in case mawala yung copy mo or yung card. O kung masira man yung card, kung mabasa man yung card, kung ano man mangyari dun sa card, is hindi mo na maibabalik yon. While dito po sa live scan fingerprint, makikita naman po natin na na-store ito at natatransmit easily. So, nakapunta na po ba kayo ng LTO? Or nakapagpa-passport na po ba kayo? Or yung pinakamadali na lang po, yung national ID. Nakita nyo po kung paano po tayo kinuha ng fingerprint dun sa may glass plate. Ang tawag po doon ay live scan fingerprint. So, di ba po nakita natin, mabilis na record yung mga fingerprint natin. At hindi pa po siya madumi or makalat. Kitang-kita po yung ridges. Next, fingerprint ink roller. So, this is a tool that is 6 inches long and 2 inches in diameter. It is used to spread ink onto a slab or inking plate. So, ang purpose po ng ink roller po is to spread the fingerprint ink evenly on the glass slab or inking plate. So, ito po yung ginagamit to spread. So kapag naglagay na po tayo ng fingerprint ink doon sa may glass slab, ito pong ink roller ang nag-i-spread or nagpa-flatten po evenly nung ink na nilagay natin. Next, card holder or fingerprint card holder. This refers to a gadget used for clipping the fingerprint card to avoid movement of the card during printing. So makikita naman po natin, dito po ikiniklip or dito po iniipit yung fingerprint card para po kapag nag-start na po tayong mag-print ng fingerprint po is hindi po siya pagalaw-galaw or hindi po magalaw para po maayos po yung pagkakakuha natin ng fingerprint ni suspect. Next, inking plate or glass slab. This is the flat piece of metal or glass measuring 6 inches by 14 and up to 1/4 inch thick. It's used to distribute fingerprint ink for printing. So ano po bang purpose po ng glass slab? Ang purpose po ng glass slab is dito po inilalagay yung fingerprint ink po natin. So, ang magpa-flatten nun or mag-i-spread nun is yung kanina po, yung ink roller. Next, fingerprint ink, especially manufactured ink for purpose of taking fingerprints. So, ito po, used in making permanent impression of fingerprints to record. So, ito po yung ginagamit natin na ink purposely used for fingerprint po. Next, fingerprint card refers to a piece of card used for recording the 10 fingerprints. The usual size is 8 by 8. So, ano po bang purpose nitong fingerprint card na to? So, this is where the lifted prints are transferred. So, di ba po, nakita po natin kanina, dun sa may glass slab, dun po natin i-rolled yung fingerprint po ng suspect, and then after po natin i-rolled, ilip natin, dito po natin ita-transfer yon sa my fingerprint card for the purpose of recording the 10 fingerprints. Not also the 10 fingerprints, dyan din po natin makikita yung full name ni suspect, saan siya nakatira, male or female, and all the information po regarding kay suspect. Next, fingerprint table, 38 by 40 po. At table intended for taking fingerprints. So, makikita nyo po na yan po ang ginagamit natin for taking fingerprints. Next, fingerprint pointers. So, ang fingerprint pointers po, used for pointing the ridges in the conduct of ridge counting. This equipment po or tools are used for ano po ang purpose sa tingin niyo po nito? Ang purpose po nito is for ridge counting. Ano po bang type ng fingerprint pattern ng nire-ridge count natin? Ang family po ng loop, which is the radial and the ulnar loop. Next, magnifying lens. The goal is enable the examiner to observe enough ridges characteristic while maintaining a broad field of view. So, ito po yung ginagamit natin to zoom para mas makita po natin ng maayos, malinaw. Yun pong fingerprint po ni suspect while conducting ridge counting. Next, lifting tapes. So, ano po ba ang purpose ng lifting tapes? This is used to lift the developed latent prints. Next, camera. So, ano po bang purpose ng camera po natin? So, ang purpose po ng camera natin is to photograph the latent prints. Ano po ba yung latent prints? Ito po yung na-develop doon or nakita sa crime scene. Ano po ba ang purpose po ng camera sa fingerprint natin? To preserve the fingerprint. Next, fingerprint powder applicator. So, ano po ba ang purpose ng fingerprint applicator po natin? Or the fingerprint brush? Anyone? So, fingerprint powder applicator po natin or brush po natin is used to spread the non-magnetic powders in suspected areas. Ito po ang ginagamit natin. Ito pong brush po na to, kukuha po tayo sa fingerprint powder and ito po yung gagamitin natin to spread the powder dun po sa suspected area natin for developing latent prints. Next, magnetic fingerprint powder applicators. So, ano po ba ang purpose nito? Ano ba ang function na to? Ang function po na to is used to develop latent prints specifically on paper, cardboard, wood, glass, plastic, leather, and other non-ferrous surfaces. So, dalawa po yan. Yung makikita nyo po, this one, the upper part, yan po yung tools. And then yung ito po nasa ilalim po na to, ito po yung tinatawag natin na magnetic powder. So, yun po ang function nun. To develop latent prints specifically on paper, cardboard, wood, glass, plastic, leather, and other non-ferrous surfaces. So, let's end up my discussion po. I hope everybody po is okay and nagets po natin ang discussion natin na to. Thank you so much everybody and have a nice day everyone.